Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Type of diffusion by which solutes are passively transported by a carrier protein. The answer to the question is the type of diffusion where solutes are passively transported by a carrier protein is called facilitated diffusion. In facilitated diffusion, carriers proteins help more move specific molecules or ions across the cell membrane without the need for energy input, relying on the concentration gradient of the solute. This is a correct answer to the question. If you have any question, understand if you have permit, I will be answering you either soon. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.